Mr. Islam math teacher, and today we are talking about congruence. Congruence, what does congruence mean? Please, before we start, open your page 522 and 523. Good. Congruence I'm gonna start with these two models I made by myself. So these two models are congruent. So congruent, it means have the same shape and the same size as you can see. If I put the first model up here, so they are the same. So when we have two congruent figures, as you can see, we have corresponding parts. Corresponding parts consist of corresponding angles and corresponding sides. This is quadrilateral because 4 sides, 4 angles. So here, the side of AB, the length of the side AB is equal to EF, and the side of BC equal to FG, and the side of GH is equal to CD, and the side of DA equal HE. And all angles are congruent. Congruent, that means equal in measure. All angles are equal in measure, and all sides are equal in length. So let's start. Okay, so let's start from this presentation, which is congruence. As you can see, we have the same shape, the same faces. These are similar, not congruent, and these we can use congruence in shapes, triangles, squares, ovals, circles, as you can see. What about congruence in our life? Congruence in our life, we can use congruence in our life. Yes, we can use it in, for example, congruence in our life, we can see the congruence in bridge and roller coaster, because here we have congruent triangles, glasses. What about congruence in geometry? Okay. So, corresponding parts of congruent figures. If we have two triangles, as you can see, the first one is ABC and second one is DEF. So, three sides, three angles. AB equals DE, and BC equals EF, and FD equals CA. And follow the matching arcs and take marks. As you can see here, we have 2 marks. So here 2 marks. So CB, the length of CB equals the length of the EF. If CB equals, for example, 10 centimeters, so EF equals 10 centimeters. If DF equals 5, so AC equals 5. If AB equal 2, so DE equal 2. And also, all angles are congruent. So angle A, if angle A, for example, 20 degree, so angle D is 20 degree also. The same. Good. Let's write the corresponding angles and corresponding sides. If the two triangles are congruent, A, B, C, is congruent to triangle DEF. This, by the way, this symbol represents congruent. Again, this symbol is represented to congruent. So let's start from angles. Angle A is congruent to angle D, and angle B is congruent to angle E. What is angle E? Here, and angle B are congruent or are equal in measure. This is 90-90. Angle C equal angle F. What about the sides? So AB, I'll change car. So AB equal DE, and EF is equal to BC, equal in length, as I said, and so on. CA or AC equals DF. So these are corresponding parts. Corresponding parts consist of angles and the sides. Example number 1, write congruent statement comparing the corresponding parts in the congruent triangles. As you can see, we have two triangles, IHG and JKL. So IH is equal to KL, and J follows the matching arcs and tick marks. Here one dash and one tick. So H is equal to JK, and the last side IJ equals JL. Next page, the next example. Good. We have two polygons are congruent. So this is quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angles, and follow the matching arcs and tick marks. Good. Let's start from left. So I divide sides and angles. First, NM is congruent, NM, and don't forget the line segment. Is congruent to PA. The first side here is equal to this side. And AS is equal to MP. AS is congruent to MP. The third side is SK is equal to or is congruent to PO. So SK is congruent to PO. And the last side is P BK is congruent to NO. What about angles? Who can tell me? Yes. So angle follows the matching arcs here, angle M. So as you know, this sign represents to angle. Angle M is congruent to angle A. And angle B is congruent to angle N. And angle S is congruent to angle B. And angle K is congruent to angle O. So these are the corresponding parts. sides and angles. So my fabulous student, if I give you two congruent figures, as you can see here, so we have corresponding parts are congruent also, sides and angles. Okay. Page 525 up. Write congruence statement or corresponding parts. Read your question carefully, please. Write congruence statement comparing the corresponding parts in each set of congruent figures. Number one, I divide sides, angles. I'll give you 1 minute to solve this example. Good. So start from sides and follow the directions here, as you can see. So NO equals SV. NO congruent to SV. And NM is equal to ST. NM congruent to ST. And the last side is OM congruent to VT. These are sides, congruent sides. Angles, so one arc here, N, so angle N is congruent to angle S. And angle M congruent to angle T. And the last angle is O. Angle O is congruent to angle V. Good. Example number 2. We have two right triangles, as you can see, A, B, C, and F, J, G. Good. It's very important that the directions. If you start from A, so start from F. If you start from the right angle, you start from here, the right angle, which is F. So A, B, so F, G, J. A, B, C, F, J, G. Good. Sides, angles. Good. AB congruent to F, G. And the AC is equal to FJ. And the last side is BC congruent to JG or GJ. Good. Angles, what about angles? Angle A is right and angle F is right. So angle A is congruent to angle F and angle J equal angle C. And the last angle is B is congruent to angle G. These are corresponding parts, as I said. Let's take another example, and please attention to me. One of the figure, on the figure, draw arc and take marks to identify the corresponding parts. So we have two triangles, two congruent triangles, as you can see. So A, B, C, and E, D, B. So angle A equals angle E, and angle C is equal to angle D, and angle DBE equals ABC. These angles are vertical opposite angles, as you studied before, VIO. Vertical opposite angles. So angle ABC is congruent to the angle EBD. If you start with the first letter and the last one, AC, so you should take ED. So AC is congruent to ED. So find the value of the x. Here this side is equal to 4x minus 2. And this side is equal to 22 centimeters. And they are equal because the two triangles are congruent. He gives us, we are given here, the triangle of ABC is congruent to ABD, as you can see. So, the side AC equals the side DE. And then AB equal EB. If you start the first two letters, A, B, so EB. And BC with BD. So I need this side with this side. So 4x minus 2, this side 4x minus 2 is congruent to DE, which is equal 22. So I'm going to make equation, as you can see, 4x minus 2 equals 22. So to get x, add the opposite of the negative 2. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So add positive 2 in both sides. So negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, cancel, and bring down for x, and 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. How can I find x? So 4x, that means 4 times x. 4 times x, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So divided by 4 in each side. So 4x, I will cancel 4 with 4. Yeah, so x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Okay, I would like to thank all the students and I hope a good day, and thank you for watching, and please, my fabulous students, please study hard. Thank you.